So we have a bird that's caught. I have to rescue it. I'm not sure what kind of bird it is. It's definitely scared. Hi, baby. Gus, hey. Be nice. Let's see what we can do here. It's beautiful. Hi, baby. I think its foot is stuck. If I can just come here. You're okay, baby. You're okay. Can't quite see how it's stuck. You're okay. Oh, I see exactly. Okay, we need a knife. Looks like there's a little nylon something or other. Yeah, I gotta get a knife. So we will be back. Okay, so we're outside and I've got the bird here. And it looks like there's a little piece of nylon here. Beautiful bird. It's beautiful. Looks like it's got a blue head. So we're gonna rescue it. It's a beautiful bird. Can't get over it. So we'll get this little piece of nylon off and send you back to your family. How's that sound? Yeah. Okay, so the nylon is off. The nylon is off. So now we're gonna have the big release. Such a pretty bird. Okay. Very relaxed. Very relaxed. Now we've got somebody here. I've been cleaning the yard. I don't want him to get the bird in case the bird doesn't take right off. So I'm going to flip the camera around. And do the release. Okay. And there it goes. Very cool. Flying great. Success.